They took us out of camp 4 o'clock in the morning, threw us into a jeep, and carried us up a pitch black road, rugged as the driver would bob and weave the vehicle to the top of a mountain 7,500 feet. Imagine so many of us upon this mountain to see the sunrise, which was magnificent. The backdrop of that sunrise on the mountains and the city down below, with glass pools of lakes seen down in the valleys. It was a sight to see, a beauty, very nice. Everyone was astonished. The beautiful tea plantation and these mountain dogs that roam the plantation. The Mahindra, an iron horse that never disappoints, as it carved its way through the mountain path. Some of the roads were so narrow, only one vehicle can pass, with a steep cliff on the other side, and wet, slippery roads with the vehicle sliding side to side. The doors of the vehicle, oh, there were no doors, so you had to hold on, no seat belt. But it was a beauty to behold. Toe to toe, neck to neck, we descended the mountain, the driver's hands swinging from side to side as he tried to keep the vehicle in check. And though we went up super fast in the dark, we had to take our time coming back down. The roads were so narrow, and you were bumping and weaving and butting your heads at the roof of the vehicle. Eventually, we were able to surmount all the obstacles and make it down back safely, safe and sound.